Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now. First of all, if we look at the trend of the market here, then there is no doubt that market is very bullish. But on Friday, we did not see much movement on the chart here. Market was more or less flat. You can see that there was not much movement here. So there are few certain key levels on the market that I would like to discuss today, because right now in this particular portion of the market, if you're planning to take any buy or sell position, then I think, okay, this is my personal opinion, that this is not a good idea, because the risk to reward will not be in our favor. Because see, if I take a buy position here, then I do not have any proper support here. Obviously my stop loss will be below this level, and if I take sell position also, I do not have any proper logic to take any sell position. So if you're looking for a fresh position, then I'll say that, my dear friend, this is not the right place to take a fresh position, or to initiate a fresh position. You must wait for the key levels. First of all, after the market opening, if you see market coming down, then the 50 moving average, you can see I have 50 moving average here as the first support in the market. So there is a possibility that when market will be like this, market may take support at the 50 moving average and bounces. And if 50 moving average fails also, then we have 156.10 to 156.00, this level as the next support for the market. And in this particular portion of the market here, okay, if market comes down, then there is a possibility that at the same spot there will be 50 moving average as well as the 156 level. So a combination of dynamic support, the trend line, the moving average plus the static support makes it a dual support here. So if market comes down to this particular level, and if we have a dual support at that particular point of time, there is a good possibility of a bounce from this level, and we can take a buy position. And below this level, we have got Fibonacci 23.6% at 155.70. Okay, at 155.70 we have got Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. Okay, so a combination of the dynamic support, the 50 moving average plus the static support of 156 can be a good level for a buy if market comes for retracement. Yes, if market comes for retracement. Okay, but because in case of a heavy selling, in case of a sudden selling in the market, if you see a big fat red candle, then my dear friend, do not take any buy position, because that can be quite risky. Always keep in mind, support and resistance are not permanent. And see, you should not be crazy for taking position in the market. After all, always keep in mind, you are a trader, not a gambler, and this is your responsibility to protect your hard-earned money. So be careful. And if market goes up after the market opening on Monday, if we find market going up from here, then we have 157.80 as the first resistance for the market, and then we have the next resistance, this line at the top, at 158.00 to 158.20. This is a resistance zone for the market. Until and unless we see some heavy buying on GBP JPY, there is a possibility of market reversing also, because we have a very strong resistance at present in this level. Okay, so there is a possibility of market reversing also. If market reverses, definitely we can take a sell position. But my dear friend, again keep in mind, if you see that there is a heavy buying going on, market is very bullish, market is forming bid big fat green candles, then do not take any sell position, because understanding the market psychology, understanding the market emotion is very essential for a trader. Okay, so if you see the market is really reversing, if you see a shooting star kind of a pattern, bearish pin bar, or bearish engulfing pattern, okay, if you get the confirmation, then only take a sell at the resistance, otherwise just avoid. Okay, but so these are the levels for Monday. Let's wait and watch where the market goes, how the market does. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, keep a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye, take care, see you on Monday.